Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can unblock your Facebook account. If your account has been blocked no matter why, I will show you how you can fix that. So the first thing you have to do is just open your browser. In my case I use Google Chrome, and in the search bar you have to type in Facebook Help Center and go and search for that. Go to the first option, Help Center, right here. Okay, so right here in the search bar, if you search for disabled, we have this option, disabled account, and my personal Facebook account is disabled. We're going to click on that. And here it says learn how to fix a login problem. We go there, and as you can see right here, we have this option, go to find your account page at facebook.com login identify. So we're going forward and click on that. Here you have to enter your mobile phone number, and then they are going to send you a recovery code on that phone mobile number. It's very important to remember that you have to do these steps from a device where you were logged in your Facebook account. So let's say you were using your Facebook account on a mobile device, on the phone. It's very important that you make the steps from that phone where you were logged into your Facebook account. So this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.